Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Zoom and confirming essential permissions so your camera and mic work. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or strong cellular signal and plug in if battery is low. Now open Zoom, sign in with your account or join as a guest, and tap Settings right arrow Meetings to check video and audio preferences. Test camera and microphone with a quick new meeting so you know how you look and sound before joining the real session. You join by tapping a link or entering the meeting ID and passcode. Make sure to type the correct name so hosts recognize you. Once in, choose Join with computer audio or use internet audio to connect sound, and enable video if you want to be seen. Use the on-screen controls to mute/unmute quickly and pinch to switch between gallery and speaker views. If you plan to share, tap Share Content and select Photo, Screen, or Whiteboard with the step Zoom prompts. You finish by tapping Leave or End Meeting. If you're the host and have cloud recording enabled, confirm the save. Before leaving, use chat, reactions, or pin a speaker to control your view. If audio or video fails, first check Settings right arrow Privacy, right arrow Camera and microphone to confirm Zoom access. Then switch Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, or force close and reopen the app. If that does not help, restart the iPhone. This typically clears stubborn permission or network issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.